As you know, I've been doing my nails for quite some time now. So whenever I saw this product on Amazon, we just had to give it a try. So in today's video, we're going to be trying out the Beetles Full Coverage Jelly Nail Tips, and we are going to see how this works. So let's give it a try. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you'd like to see, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you give this video a big thumbs up, it will certainly help out the channel. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this product up and see what's in here. We got some jelly nail tips, and this is what they look like. These are full coverage jelly nail tips. We got a little Beetles nail lamp, and it's open so you can put your finger in there, and it's got a little power on and off button. We have a power cord for the nail lamp, and let's see what else we got. Okay, we got some Beetles nail glue, and I believe this is just like a base coat. Okay. And we have the instructions, and it looks pretty basic, so it don't come with any prep or primer or anything. So I think I'm gonna go and get my nails prepped and primed, and then we will come back and try out all the products. All right, my nails are prepped, and we are gonna plug in our little Beetles lamp here. Okay, so we got that plugged in. Next step is we are going to fit the tips according to our nail. So we're gonna go ahead and go through and select, and how we do that is we are going to measure sidewall to sidewall, and then we're gonna also pay attention to around the cuticle area and make sure that everything lines up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna fast forward so that you know, because it's gonna be a long process and we don't want to make this video too long. So we got all the nails laid out, and the next step is, let's see, we clean the nails, we prep the nails, and then so the next step is to take the glue and put it in the nails. Now I know from using other systems like this that you actually would be better off roughing the inside of the nail. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and do that. And in order to do that, I am going to put the nail on my nail, and I'm going to measure it out where the nail bed ends, and I'm going to use my e-file and rough the where the nail meets the nail bed. So let's go ahead and do that. We're done with that. So now we are going to go ahead and take a look at this nail lamp. I dusted off my nails again to make sure there's no debris on them. Okay, so that turns on. Okay, so it don't turn off, but whenever I plug it in, it does turn on by putting your nail in the middle. As you can see, I guess it just powers it on, so you gotta unplug it to turn it off. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to look at the instructions. Okay, it says apply appropriate amount of nail glue in the nail. Start from the cuticle and press down slowly, removing all the air bubbles. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take the nail glue, and we are going to add some in the tip right where I had roughed it up, and that looks like it's gonna be enough. So now I'm going to take it and I am going to line it up with my cuticle, and I'm going to slowly press down, releasing all the air bubbles, and hold it where we want it. Then I am going to stick it in the nail lamp. Okay, we're going to wait for it to cure, and then I will go ahead and remove my hand. There we go. And it's flash cured now, so let's go ahead and leave it in there a few more seconds, make sure it's cured completely. Okay, it does get kind of hot, so it does have a little bit of heat spike, but that's how it looks, and it looks like it's adhered really good. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the next one and try to get it to where they're on evenly and as straight as possible. There is kind of a learning curve. Okay. Oh, look, the lamp turned off. Okay, so I guess it isn't. It does have a timer, like a 60-second timer, so that's pretty cool. So let's put this now in. We're gonna go ahead and let that one cure. Oh, accidentally let an air bubble in that one. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay, so it don't look like there's any way we can put anything there, so let's just go ahead and finish curing it. And yeah, it's got a little bit of a heat spike, but that's okay. So we're just going to keep on curing. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and speed it up while I do the rest. Okay, so we're done putting on the nails on. Now we're going to do minimal filing. I am going to leave the link, so I'm just going to file off the little tabs on the top. I'm going to buff the nails, and then we will be back after I design them with the final thoughts on this product. So I'll see you in a minute. All right, so let's get into my final thoughts on these nails. So I decided to go with the rose gold and black butterfly detail. We are at the end of summer and transitioning into fall, so I thought that would be, oh, let's see if we can get it, there we go. I thought that would be a cute idea. So overall, I actually like these nails. They're thicker than regular tips, so they don't feel like they're just gonna pop off or split on me, but they're thin enough to where they don't feel all bulky. They were really easy to work with. It does have a little bit of a learning curve, but so do most products. But all in all, I think they turned out great. They feel very sturdy and like they will last a while. So I will keep, by the time I get this video updated, I will let you know right here whether or not they lasted. But yeah, so far so good. First impressions, they're definitely Stephanie approved. They have a good durability. They're easy to work with. They have a nice C curve. I don't know if you can see that, but they have a nice C curve. And all in all, I really like this product. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.